are most welcome to the second session of matrices. In our previous lesson, we looked at what a matrix is. We looked at the order of a matrix and what a square matrix is. Today, we shall look at how we add and subtract matrices. But before we go any further, put this into mind that we only add or subtract matrices if and only if they have the same orders, and we consider their corresponding positions when adding or subtracting. For instance, we may have 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 5, 3, 4, 1. These can be added because they have the same order. These are all 2 by 2 matrices. But you cannot add 4, 3, 2, 1 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These cannot be added. Reason being, they are of different orders, and in addition, we take corresponding positions. For instance, the 4 will add to a 5 to give us 4 plus 5. Then 3 adds to 3 to give us 3 plus 3. Then 2 adds to 4 to give us 2 plus 4. And 1 to a 1 to give us 1 plus 1. So this is only possible when the matrices are of the same order. For instance, in our next example, the 4 will match with the 1, 3 will match with the 2, and now what will match with the 3? So this makes it impossible to add or subtract matrices if they are of different orders, because we add or subtract elements in the same positions. Let us look at examples. In our example 1, we are told to work out. We have addition and subtraction. We shall follow body mass, whereby we add first. When adding matrices, we add corresponding elements of the matrices. For instance, the 2 corresponds with a 0, so that gives us 2 plus 0. And 3 corresponds with 1, which gives us 3 plus 1. Negative 1 corresponds with 2, which gives us negative 1 plus 2. And 4 corresponds with 3, which gives us 4 plus 3. Minus 5, 3, 4, 2. Then when adding, we shall get 2, shall get 1 down, 4 and 7. Now we bring 5, 4, 3, 2. So we are done with addition. We are going to subtract. The same applies to subtraction. When subtracting, we subtract corresponding elements of the matrices. For instance, 2 corresponds with 5. So that will give us 2 minus 5. And then 1 corresponds with the 3, which gives us 1 minus 3 down. Then 4 corresponds with the 4, giving us 4 minus 4. And 7 corresponds with the 2, giving us 7 minus 2. So you simplify and you get the final answer. As we are summarizing addition and subtraction of matrices, the key point to note is we only add or subtract matrices if they are of the same order. 2. When adding or subtracting matrices, we deal with corresponding elements of the matrices. Thank you very much. Have a good day.